Hi everyone, and thanks for watching this episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. First of all, we do have this mini album die set, and this is so super cute. I also have to tell you before I start as well, I have put the links in the description below for each individual item, because I know that you're finding it difficult before to find the items. So that was the first thing. That was a mini album die set, which is super cool. This is a dress die set. Sorry, the mini album die set was £12.47 and the dress dies are £2.33. I am just getting back into the swing of this. Then we have this butterfly bow die set, £2.97. Very lovely, kind of look like butterflies in a way. Very pretty, and it is one that I do not have in my ever-growing collection. Then we have these large butterfly dies, £4.07. Great for card projects or scrapbooking, your journals, but you've got 3 different sizes of butterflies. Then we have these lovely frames, and they are 4 pieces and they are £2.19. Super cute to put a photo behind, I thought, so that's why I got it. And then these are actually napkin holders, but I thought they'd be great for belly bands, these beautiful butterfly napkin holders, but I would use them for belly bands, £4.07. Then we have this 14-piece album die set, £2.91. Lots of bits to play with on the album, as you can see there. And then I have this absolutely gorgeous, huge alphabet die set, £14.67 for 26 pieces, of course, as there is an alphabet, but they're lovely and big and decorative and great for all sorts of projects. I love this. Look, hugs Noel, you. Then we have this lovely backpack die set, £6.52. Great for like a gift box or to put things in. Lovely little treats you could put in there, and they've got lovely pockets on the side. Super cute and really easy to make. Then we have this perfume bottle shaker card die set, £3.26, and it just looks really easy to make as well. Then we have this vintage fan die set, £4.07, and there are lots of pieces again in this die set, so you don't just have to use it as a fan, you can just put them as decorative pieces on your projects. Then we have this purse gift box die set, £4.07, and how beautiful are these? Very lovely. Then we have these vintage like sewing machine, sewing scissors, and needle, etc., and they're £3.26. Then we have this vintage clock, which is £1.62, and look at that, how they've used it on their projects. Lovely to dress up a project. Then we have this teacup die set, £3.20, and you could just put them on the front of cards or your projects that you want to use. Then I have this lovely 6x6 Alice paper pad, £2.85. This is for an upcoming journal that I need to get on with and start making. Very pretty pages in this pad. Then we have these, they're like tab set, 9-piece Rolodex tab die set, £3.93, and you get lots and lots of pieces in this die set, as you'll see on this picture coming up, to make lots of different tabs and cards, etc. Then we have this lovely flower die, £3.18, very pretty. I do not know what flower that is, I cannot think, but it looks very oriental, very pretty. And look at this mermaid treat box die set. Oh my goodness me, great for kids' parties or just for happy mail. £7.57, but you get lots of different pieces that you could use on projects, so you don't have to just make the treat box, but it's there if you want to. Then we have this 2-piece spring branch dies, £2.68, so you've got the two different styles of branches there. very pretty to do as flourishes. And then I have a 3-piece lace circle borders, and they're £1.78 for the 3 pieces. So this is a very quick one today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget you can click on the link below to purchase any of those products. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I have put the individual links in, as when I was just putting the shop you found it a little bit harder to find them. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.